Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the landscape mode on an Android phone. So let's get started. So in order to do this, first thing is you're going to swipe down to get to the menu. Now, once you get to the menu here, you're going to look for basically this lock icon. If you pull down a little bit further, you'll see the word portrait under it as well. So that's going to be indicated. So if I tap on it, it's going to say auto rotate, which indicates that this landscape mode is turned on. And to turn it off, you'll just click on it like that. So that will turn on and off as well. Now, if you don't have this, sometimes you might need to do is click on the edit option here and click on edit and look for that same icon right here in the available options. So if it's here, if it's not there, you might have to just add it as well. And now another way also to do it, if you don't see it through there, is by going to your settings. So let's go into our setting. And in the setting here, you're going to look for home screen. And in the home screen, if you go down a little bit further, there is going to be an option that will see rotate to landscape mode. So if I turn this on, it works slightly better. So if I go ahead and turn it, you'll see an icon sometimes depending on your phone, how you rotate it. If you tap on it, it'll go ahead and rotate it for you as well. So you can kind of use that to rotate it in your own control as well. So that's how you can turn on and off the auto rotate or the landscape mode on an Android phone. I hope this video was helpful, so please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. See you guys next time.